Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. It's Pushka this side. Today I have a very useful and exciting video for solar installer. If you're a solar installer, I'm going to show you how you can generate more leads and grow your business using a solar calculator. So we have added this new feature to solar CRM where you can get an embeddable solar calculator. You can customize it as per your business strategy, your pricing details, your margins. And then this customized solar calculator can be embedded on your website. So when someone visits your website and they want to get a quick estimate of how much it will cost to install a 5 kilowatt system, 10 kilowatt system, they can use this calculator to get a quick cost estimate. They can also enter their contact details and submit a form to get a quotation. And when they submit this form, all these details are captured in your CRM. So this way you get more and more leads and you can grow your business. And like I mentioned earlier, you can completely customize this calculator. You can customize how the calculations are done. You can customize how the form looks, how the calculator looks, how the quotation is sent. All of that can be customized. And that's what I'm going to show you in today's video. So make sure you watch it till the end. This is going to be very useful. So let's get started. So we start by going to the Fuzen website. So as you can see, Fuzen is an AI powered app builder. So if you want to build a CRM or any kind of business app, this is the platform for you, where you can just describe your app, you can write a prompt, and then AI will build your app. And when Fuzen's AI builds an app, it's fully in production. You don't need to worry about deployment, hosting, pushing it to GitHub or AWS or anything. It's all done for you. But today we'll not be concerned about the AI app developer. We have already created some app templates, and one of those app templates is the one that we are going to check today, which is the solar CRM. So we have a solar CRM app template which is available for a one-time cost of 35,000 rupees. So this is actually the most affordable CRM for solar installers that's out there in the market. So you can actually buy this CRM for a flat cost of 35,000 rupees one time. So that makes it the most affordable CRM for solar installers in the market. And now we have added a solar calculator as a standard feature in the CRM. So to check that, let's get instant access. Let's start a trial of the CRM. So this solar CRM is available for a 14 days free trial. So if you click on that button, it will initiate a trial account or a trial installation. So when I initiated my trial account, I got access to the solar CRM trial version. So this, I can use all the features within the solar CRM for 14 days. For 14 days, I can try it out, and if it looks good, I can buy it, right? So there are lots of features in the solar CRM that will be useful for you, right? From lead management, site surveys, quotations, project management, subsidy tracking, payment tracking, after sales like maintenance, support tickets and maintenance contracts, AMC management. All of that is included in this 35,000 rupees CRM version. So you can see it's packed with features and it comes at a very affordable cost. And the latest addition to our features is the solar calculator. So this is what I want to show you in today's video. So if we go to the solar calculator, you can see this is the solar calculator, and you can see there is a very simple installation process which is summarized here. Number one, you copy the code. So here we have some code. This is the code for solar calculator that you can just click on this button and you can copy this code. Number two, you need to paste it to your website. So to add it to your website, you'll need to check where your website is set up. Are you using a WordPress website? Are you using a Wix website or a Webflow website or a simple HTML website? So if you're not using any of these three, the answer is HTML. So that HTML can come from different sources, but it's an HTML website. So you'll need to use this option. If you're using a WordPress website, it's very simple. You need to go to the landing page where you want to paste this. You need to find the location where you want to paste this code. And if you've already copied this code, you can just go there and paste the code that you have copied, save the page, and then publish the page. And once the page is live, you can see this kind of solar calculator embedded on your website. So this is the preview. This is a live preview of the solar calculator. So here you will get a good sense of how it actually works. So let's say you have embedded the solar calculator on your website. This is how it's going to appear. So this is how it will look when it's embedded on your website. And when someone wants to interact with this solar calculator, they can just type how much was their last month's electricity bill and how much rooftop area they have available for this installation, and then they can do a quick estimate, quick calculations. So these calculations are based on certain thumb rules. So we have taken some thumb rules based on our understanding of the industry, and we have created this calculator. It follows certain thumb rules and equations. That is what we have used here, but this is easily customizable. I'll show you how. So right now, if you try to calculate, if you use these numbers, if you input these numbers, the calculator will tell you that you need a 3.5 kilowatt system. This is how much it's going to cost you. This is how much you can get from government as a subsidy. And this is how much you will actually need to invest. And if you invest these will be your monthly savings based on your electricity bill. This is how much you will save. And based on these savings, your payback period is roughly 3 years, right? So over a period of 25 years, this is how much you will end up saving. So this is the conviction argument. This is how you will convince your customer that this is a worthwhile investment. And then they can also see if they're environmentally conscious. They can see how much of CO2 is getting offset per year and how much generation is happening per year. And then if they're interested, they can enter their details, they can enter their email address, name and phone number, and where they're located, and then they can get a quote. So I'm just going to show you, because I want to show you how this works. I'm just going to say that this is Pushkar test, and just going to click on this button. So they'll see a message like this, that your solar estimate has been saved, and someone will contact you, right? So we are telling the user that someone from your team will be contacting them. How will they contact them? Because this form that got submitted, the details from this form will be immediately added to your CRM. So in the CRM, we have this lead management module. So the details that we just submitted have been saved as a lead, as a new lead, and we can see that. So the lead that we created was Pushkar test. And we said that our monthly electricity bill is 3,500 rupees. So this is the phone number that I entered. And you can also see this lead was created. So the lead source is website solar calculator. So if the solar calculator is on your website and a lead submits the solar calculator form, this will show up as the lead. So the lead source will be clearly mentioned as the calculator. So you will get a sense of how many leads are coming through this calculator. These leads who are coming through the calculator would be mostly warm, because they are interested. They have taken the effort to enter all the details and then submit the form to get a quotation, right? So now your team member can actually use these details, call this lead on this phone number and try to convert them. So this is how easy it is to generate leads using the solar calculator. Now you might say that these calculators look quite basic and you want to customize them. You want to add some more margins or maybe less margins, depending on how you're operating. So how do you do that? So it's very easy to do. Number one, our solar CRM is built by our AI app builder. So this is generated by AI. So this AI editor, you can see in the right hand corner, there is a magic wand. When you hover over that magic wand, an AI app builder opens up. So this is our AI. And you can chat with this AI and instruct this AI to specifically update these calculations. So you can tell this AI that the calculator should have 10% more margins, or it should have at least 50,000 as the floor price. So below 50,000, you'll not do any work. Any kind of changes that you want to do within the solar calculator, this AI editor will help you do those. And whenever you send a request, a single credit will be consumed, and you get a lot of free credits as part of the solar CRM. So this is how easy it is to customize your solar calculator with the help of Fuzen's AI. So you can use this calculator, you can observe how it's performing, and if you want to make any changes, if you want to increase the margin, lower the margin, enter certain thumb rules, update the thumb rules, you can ask our AI to do that and AI will do it for you. You can test it again, and if it looks satisfactory, then just go through these steps to embed this calculator on your website. So one important thing, you should first customize this calculator and then you should try to embed it. And if you want to customize the look and feel, so for example, if your site has blue colors as its part of your branding and theme, you can use blue themed calculator instead of this orange one. You can use blue or green colors. You can change the look and feel of this calculator as well. How do you do that? You just ask AI to do it. So you can tell AI about your website and you can ask AI to use similar kind of branding, to update the look and feel of this calculator, and AI will be able to do it. So number one, you'll need to customize this calculator, add your own flavors, and once that is done, you can go through these steps. Just copy the code and go to your website, paste that code, publish it, and then watch the magic happen. The calculator will be live on your website and it will start generating leads immediately. Even when it's embedded on your website, it's already integrated with the CRM. So whenever people are submitting their information on your website using this calculator, their information is going to get captured on this leads dashboard. So your team can use these leads and you can grow your business. So that's what I wanted to show you. So now you have seen how you can easily customize our solar calculator and how easy it is to embed it on your website. And once it's on your website, it's just a lead generation machine, because when people visit your website, they're mostly curious about how much a new installation will cost. Is it within their budget? Is it not? But they're hesitant to directly talk to your team or call someone up. But this calculator is a very easy way for them to get a feel of how much it will cost. And then if they have the budget, if the economics makes sense for them, then they will call you. So when they call you, they're already warm. So this is a really excellent way of generating warm leads. And this calculator is a standard feature of our solar CRM. It's fully integrated with the solar CRM. So whenever someone uses the calculator and submits the contact form, they're captured in your CRM. So your team can immediately call them and help them with their solar installation. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next one.